Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how we can delete the image from the public folder in Laravel. So whenever we click the delete button, it will not only delete the data from the database table, but it will also delete the image from the public folder as well. So here you can see we have 4 data over here, so basically 4 images. So first of all, let's go back to code and let me just show you the public folder. Here I store all the images in the public this doctor image folder, and here you can see all the images over here. There is only 4 images over here. So in order to delete the image from the public folder, what we need to do is that first of all we need to go to the delete function obviously, and after finding the ID for which ID we want to delete, we need to find the image path, which image we want to delete. So first of all, let's just declare a variable over here. We'll say over here image underscore path, then we'll say over here equal, and here you can see that our images in the public folder. So we say over here public underscore path, then to first bracket. Then inside this first bracket, we'll give 2 single quotation, and here we need to mention the folder name, which is doctor image. So here we'll say doctor image, and after this single quotation, we need to give a dot over here, not comma. And then here you can see we say over here $data equal to doctor find ID. So here we are basically find the specific data that we have to delete. So here you can see we stored that in this $data variable. So we just write over here $data, and then we'll mention the image name. So here in the database folder, the image name is this one. So after this, one more thing here, after doctor image, we need to give a slash over here. Then let's go to the second line, and here we need to write a if condition. We'll say over here if, we'll say file underscore exists, there will be s, then we'll give to first bracket. So this is a function which check if the file exists or not, and the what is the file, this one is the file, which is image path. So let me just copy this and paste it over here. So after this we'll give to second bracket, and here all you need to say is unlink to first bracket, and we'll mention this image path. Okay, so if we just write this, it will just delete the image or file from the public doctor image folder. Okay, so all we need to do is that we just need to write this 3 line of code, and after deleting the image, it will also delete the data. Okay, so basically everything will be the same. You just need to write this 3 line. So right now let's save this, and here you can see in the doctor image folder there is 4 images. So I also open it in the folder over here, as you can see. So right now if we now refresh over here, then here you can see we have 4 images. So let's delete this one. So we'll just click delete, click OK, and here you can see doctor data deleted successfully. There is only 3 images. So right now if we just go to our folder over here, here you can see there is 3 images, and over here you can see only 3 images over here. So let's try to delete another one. Let's check for this image, click delete, click OK, it reloaded. Let's check our folder over here. Here you can see in the doctor image folder there is only 2 images, and here in the folder here you can see only 2 images. So this is how you can delete or unlink the image from the public folder in Laravel. I hope you find this tutorial easy and simple, and if you want more tutorial like this, then make sure to subscribe. I'll also appreciate that as well. Thanks again for watching. I hope to see you in the future tutorials.